Okay, so welcome back. It's been a few days since my last update because I've been. Oh, let me just turn the sound down. I've been busy over the weekend. I've still got some stuff done in the game, but I've not had as much time as usual at weekends. But anyway, I'm gonna show you what I've done. So, quickest thing to show you first is a new spell I've made. So I made Void Reach, which sounds a lot cooler than it looks right now. So it's a second tier dark spell, and it's gonna look like a claw or some kind of like death ghostly hand, and it goes off in a direction, and when it collides with something it pulls you to it, and it looks pretty cool, I think, in my opinion. I don't know. You can give your opinion too. And I do need to sort out fall damage because I should have probably taken fall damage from that. Fall damage does work, but I need to tweak the how much I take and the safe fall time and all that lot. But anyway, also with nav mesh on corners, that's a bit I'll also sort out the visual stuff later, but it works. It also deals damage, so you know. There we go. I put quite a few points since that almost killed him. Now that guy's going to be chasing me, but I want to show you. So I've been working on a quest system, and I have followed a tutorial slightly to get the general gist of how to do it, since I've never done a quest system before. I didn't just copy and paste everything. I did change it to work for me, because I mean, if I copied it, it wouldn't have worked for me. If I press O, I can bring up a thing here showing all my quests now. It's pretty empty. See, I can't kill that guy because if I do, then I won't be able to finish the quest. So I'll quickly just go and grab the. So this is the quest giver. Now normally in MMOs, RPGs, whatever, quest givers usually have something over the head. They might not, but this is the kind of letting you know it has a quest. And the reason why it's 0 is literally because I just used a default Unity icon. I mean, for tomorrow, I guess I could just quickly go in Photoshop and make a question mark, or an exclamation mark, sorry, to show the other quest. But let me quickly just grab his quest. So press E, save Tiny Tim, accept. Okay, so now I've got it, I can just kill off this guy. Nice. Alright, so now I've spoken to him, it's down from, I need to change this to say, it's not receivable, this is like, completed quests? Yeah, that's completed quests, I need to change that. So it tells you here, save Tiny Tim, go and defeat 5 of those cube guys, whatever. Summary, and then this is the actual quest objective. Defeat 5 cube people, I'll just call them for now, whatever. And I do have rewards, I just haven't displayed them yet, but don't worry, I'll get around to that. I only finished getting this to work today. And then you can click give up. Oh wait, I've just screwed everything up. Now it started again if I accept it, which is how it works. But the problem is I only have 5 people altogether. How am I gonna restart this? I could quickly just jump out of the game and press play again. I will quickly do that. 1 second. Just get all this out of the way. Unity, where do I have it? Unity testing. And here we go. Sorry. Okay, so now I'm going to quickly go and accept the quest and complete it this time without giving it up. But that's just to show that you can give up quests and take them back later. So let's just put all our points into Arcane Missiles, because it's probably the best AoE spell I have right now. I do have Big Boulder thing, but like this is a lock-on, so I can't miss, even if I'm bad. So let's just fire those. They're also nice to look at. But anyway, so my quest is kill 5 cube people. And there's 5 here, so let's kill them all. And if only I had a melee attack, I haven't picked up the sword. That's 5 dead. So now if I go into the objective, I do need to update this to actually say the title of the quest. That would be something else I need to do. Save Tiny Tim, blah blah blah. And I've done. Return to me for your reward. Yeah. So let's go back to Tiny Tim. And as you can see, it's changed now, say 1, because I just chose that to be a different icon. I will make it a question mark or whatever for handing in. I speak to him, it's down here, and instead of saying give up, it says complete. And if you see, my gold appears 34 and my XP is there. Now my XP and gold's gone up, and in my inventory I got Iron Sword as a reward because I made it so you can get item rewards. Obviously the sword's there anyway, but you know, it's all for testing. So I can actually have 2 swords. No reason why you'd want to have 2 swords really. I mean, it doesn't actually do anything, it just, you know, is the same. But anyway, obviously I haven't done much in this update. I did some little nice things, like, so if I have multiple tabs open, like all of the things, pressing escape just closes them all, which is really nice. And then if you press escape again, it pauses. So if you're in this and you want to pause, you go escape, escape. And it all works nicely now. It feels a lot nicer to navigate rather than having to go in all these different bits and then it just overlaps and it's all really annoying. But escape and they all close, so it's really nice. Anyway, thanks for watching. I think this has been a pretty productive weekend, even though I've been busy. But thanks for watching anyway. Bye.